because, like I said before, it's been
Mhm.
known to hallucinate, right? So
Well,
you
I
shouldn't
think
count
there's
on it
actually
blindly.
there's a clean way to think of it, really. If we want to think about it in terms of just agency, right? Which thing is responsible for what happens with what you do with your computer? Is it the AI software you're using, or is it you who puts something in the AI and gets it out and does something with it, right? Like the AI is just a fancy typewriter. That's all it really is. And the question is, are you going to use your new super typewriter powers for good or evil?